Okay, we got the XLT. And we're cleaning all the pine needles out of it. Got the carbs off of it. We're going to give this thing a pressure wash. Nathan's in here cleaning out all the frozen crap. Is it all frozen?
Right up here, yeah. Can't even get it up. And down here.
Screwdriver? Something?
Scraper.
I tried this. It didn't work.
Didn't work?
No.
It's frozen.
Use the other side.
No, but it won't work.
Maybe we should get that muffler off of there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll go try to find that tool.
I know where it is.
We'll tell them where it's at.
It's in the tool box.
So, all I basically have to do this one is the carbs. Straighten one ski out because it's crooked. And the thing should run. We're just going to get it cleaned up. But we're going to get that muffler out of the way so we can clean it up a little better. And we'll give it a washing. We got to take the recoil off starter because there's a whole bunch of mouse crap in there. Okay, here we are. We got the XLT, we got the carburetors on it, new fuel line. We're gonna see if she runs. Here, Nathan.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Well.
She needs a little tuning. Come on, baby, come on. I gotta get you off the front lawn. I don't think that pump's working. We rebuilt the pump. I'm not getting any gas. She's a ripper. Let's try it one more time here. What was... I don't think it's getting gas. Oh, I had the choke on. Switch don't work. Should have just did that.
Yeah.
But $300, it needs a little carb tuning and I don't know, headlight maybe. But it runs. Will it start up? It starts and runs. Man, oh man. Me and the kids did it again. Alright. Get it on wheels. We'll put it in the garage. That thing is fast. Fast.
Yeah.
And I probably gotta have the air box on it too. That would probably help. And one idle screw, and not the idle screw, but the air screw is stripped on one of the carburetors. So gotta get that figured out. Well, man, oh man, $300 and it runs. Might only be able to run it during the day without a headlight. All right, we'll get it in the garage, and that's it for this one.